So y'all are probably in the comments wondering, oh, they might be cheap, but do they float? I don't know, you tell me. Oh yeah, they float. Alright, so what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to build homemade catfish jugs. So, right here, we got a homemade catfish jug, and let's get to it. So all the stuff to make this is a PVC pipe, pool noodles, and some zip ties. So let's head to Walmart and Lowe's, and let's get our stuff. Yeah, look at that. We got some wire for the jug lines right here. What's this, 100 pound, 113 pound, 300 foot.
Here's some green.
We got a bunch of green, yeah. Think that would work? How many foot is it? 300? How much foot you think we'll need?
We'll just say, or you're gonna do like 10 foot?
Up east?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just saw it's 10 to 15.
Okay, well then that'd be plenty for 20, right?
Yeah, so. Alrighty. So do we need hooks? I don't even know. Do we need circle hooks? Or do we need...
they help
set the hook, so you don't have...
What color do you want?
Let's get the green.
Green?
Green or white, one or the other.
You want to do the 100 pound?
I don't know, what would... I would think this one would be easier to tie.
72 pound. That ought to work, right? You want to do this?
Yeah, we can do that. What do you think, like 3 or 4/0 or 5/0? If we're, it just depends what kind of size catfish we're kind of going for.
Circle C. Circle C live and chunk bait 5/0.
Yeah, that's probably what we want right there, chunk bait.
Circle hook. What's the difference here? 5/0. Oh, it's the same. Oh, so we'll get a couple of these just in case.
Yeah. So get 2 of those.
You know, 5/0 you said, or 4?
One of the other. Just depends what kind of bait we're using. Shad or bluegill.
Yeah, but if we use liver or anything, you gotta do treble hooks.
Well, we got treble hooks at home.
We got plenty?
Yeah, we got plenty of treble hooks. So should we go with 4/0? I said we just go with 5/0. Because that could fit like a couple shad.
Yep.
Okay, so now we need weight. So you wanna...
We have a bunch of weights.
Well, we have a bunch of these egg weights right here. I'm just thinking if we were doing those, we want more of these type of weights right here.
Okay, what ounce do you want? Do you get more 3/4 ounce?
Should we go heavy or should we go light? It just depends.
Well, you're supposed to have been the guy here.
Should we do 1/2 ounce?
Well, you probably want a little bit more weight than that, don't you think?
Yeah.
So this is 5. So you get more for your money if you go smaller. But I know we got quite a few.
We got a bunch of ounces here.
Yeah.
You wanna go with ounces? You can get 2 of each. Just 1 of each, I mean.
Let's do these.
3/8.
3/4.
Yeah.
I think these. What do you think?
Yeah, that's.
Because it's just needing to hold the line down, right?
Yeah.
So we'll get a couple of those because I know we got more.
So we got everything we needed from Walmart. We didn't get pool noodles because they didn't have any, but we got weights, hooks, the line. So now we're gonna head over to Lowe's and try to get some PVC pipe. Alright everybody, so we're at Lowe's now, and now we're gonna go in here. We're gonna get a PVC pipe and see what length they have to make it however many tubes we got. I got 4 pool noodles at home, so we're gonna need a 16 foot. So let's go in and let's get to it. Hey Dad, I think this will be about it right here.
Yeah, right.
Heck, you can fit the freaking deal inside, so we need 3/4.
We only need 2 of them, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if they make it shorter, because it's going to hang out of our bed of our truck like a mile.
10. Yeah. Well, they can cut them here.
Yeah.
But that could mess up our measurements.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're in the PVC aisle, and we actually got everything here. We got the 3. So we're in with the 10 foots, right? That's 2 10 foots.
Yeah, that's all. That's our only option, other than a 20 foot. They don't have any shorter. So.
Oh, it's done. Oh, we got our required.
Okay, what else do we need over here?
I don't know, you tell me. We got our pool noodles at home. We got PVC pipe. We got all the hooks. I think we're good. Now it's up to you, because you love this place. So.
Yeah, we're just gonna do a quick walkthrough, see if there's anything I can't live without.
Alrighty, I'll catch you guys back at the house. Alright, so everybody, so we are back from Walmart, and we got everything we need to build these catfish jugs. So first off, what we got a 10-foot piping right here, 3/4, and then you got our pool noodles right here. Then you got your line, you got your weights, hooks, swivels, whatever. Then you got your zip ties. That's really it. That's all you need. It's super simple, and that's what it should turn out to be right here. So let's get to it. Alright, so first off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure out my PVC pipes. So I'm gonna throw some stuff on the ground, move some stuff. I got a Sharpie. Alright. So I got 10 foot of PVC pipe, so I need to make this down to a foot. Right here, I got my measuring tape. I'm gonna start out from right there. I'm gonna measure out a foot, which is right here. Right there's a foot. I'm gonna go bypass it just a little bit. Gotta get my Sharpie, and we're gonna mark this right here at a foot. Alrighty, there's my first foot right there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go get a vise, and I'm gonna get a cutter, and we're gonna cut this in half. I got my vise, and so I'm gonna go here and tighten it up where I have everything I need. There we go. It's tight. So right here is 1 foot. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna start sawing. Boom. There we go, guys. It's not the cleanest little cut on there, but it's as clean as I can get it to go. Now I'm gonna measure out about a foot on the pool noodle and cut it down. So let's get to it. Measure out a foot. So I'm not gonna use a saw for this. I just got a little knife here. I'm gonna go and just cut this. Boom. Right there. You got piping. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take my piping and shove it into this pool noodle. So I'm gonna make sure I'm leaving about 2 inches of PVC piping out, and then that same there. So right there we got our pool noodle, we got our jug started. So now after you do this, you can put glue in it or whatever you want. All I'm gonna do is, since it's snug in there, like it ain't coming out. So now I'm gonna go here, get my zip tie on. Get the zip tie pretty tight on there. Like this. Do about 2 zip ties. Tighten them, guys, as tight as I can get them. There you go. And then now you just trim up your zip ties and like, yeah, that ain't going anywhere. So I think I made this one just a little bit, yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. It just has a little bit more of the pool noodle. I might need to make the pool noodle just a little bit longer with the PVC pipe, but right there, that's a jug. And so last but not least, with this jug, we're gonna go, I'm gonna get a drill bit and I'm gonna get my drill, and we're gonna go and drill a hole in here. Got my drill here, and now I'm gonna go here and just drill right in. Right there, guys, we got our hole through here. Try to take out a little bit of that extra stuff on it. But boom. Alright, so now let's just trim up the zip ties. Right there, done jug line right there. Look at that thing. Catfish ain't pulling this out. First one made. Now, let's get to it. Look at there, everybody. So they are floating. They're not fully done yet. I got to trim the zip ties and put holes in them. They're like, they got a lot of like density. Like they'll pull back and like they'll pop up. Wow. That's always good, and they'll be done. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that is the final result right there. Got all my hooks and stuff on it, and I really enjoyed doing this. I'm actually excited. Y'all are gonna see some videos of us actually putting these out and trying to catch some fish with it. And so what is my goal with a jug line is I want to catch a whole bunch of fish and actually have a bunch of fish in the freezer for in the winter time when we go out there and we have deer meat and stuff, and be like, hey, I feel like a fish fry. Go in the freezer, pull out some fish, eat it up. I have absolutely no fish in the freezer, so this is only going to be a good way. I'm going to be trying to catch a whole bunch of fish to put in the freezer. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a super easy process, super fun, super cheap. Instead of going to Walmart and buying those ones that's already pre-built. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big like, subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned for the videos with these things, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.